Hey guys, Graybeard Garage. We are out here with their evening snack, which is, what is it? Black fly larva?
Eaten pet and pasture grubs.
Grubs. They like their grubs. Even Marin, our favorite little freeloader. There's baby. Poor little thing. She got pin feathers all over her neck. Oh, so behind the yellow gate there, we planted some chicken seed, which is kind of like a blend of different grasses and stuff for chickens. So hopefully we'll have something there in the next 7 to 14 days for them to eat and scratch in and tear up. All right, guys. Well, have a good evening. We'll see you tomorrow.